This hero dog jumped in front of speeding cars to save her dying owner. For years, this dog and her owner were best friends who went everywhere together in their old truck. But one night, the truck flew off the road and crashed down a steep hill. The owner was trapped inside and bleeding out. The dog was terrified, but knew she had to find help. She ran onto the dark highway and barked at every car that drove past. Finally, she led police officers to the exact spot where the truck was hidden in the trees. The police found the owner in critical condition and rushed him to the hospital where he barely survived.